Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and make a PDF fillable in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, if you have not already. From there we can get started. From this main page you can go to the Adobe Acrobat section, get started with downloading the program and installing it. So once you've installed it and open it up, it's going to look like this. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started taking a look at the recommended tools section. That is going to enable us to take a look at all the tools that are in our disposal, and this is great for beginners. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to make a PDF fillable. So basically we are going to be using two tools right here. We have the create a PDF option to create our PDF from scratch, from images and so on, and we have the edit a PDF option. But you're going to notice that both of these options they require a premium plan, so you cannot use them with the free version of the application. What you're going to need is the premium plans. You need to go ahead and upgrade or either get yourself the free trial, and now we can get started. You can get started following this article right here on the official Adobe website on how to make a PDF fillable. That's going to show us step by step on how to get started selecting our files or scanning documents and then editing them to go ahead and create text boxes that are fillable by other people that open up the document, and how to get started. So go ahead and check it out for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.